What's up, everybody? Welcome to Spread Space. My name is ClairV, and we have a little small video about the solar flares hitting Earth this week, May 8th, 9th, and 10. Now, the peak was supposed to be in 2025, and they recently changed the peak to 2024. Now we are in the peak. Back in 2018, we haven't seen not one solar flare, and this year, just in the last 36 hours, there was 13. So not only is the Earth feeling the effects from these solar flares, but personally, spiritually, mentally, physically, we should, or I definitely am feeling these effects of the flares. How about you? Have you been feeling extra jittery with the extra amounts of energy, or extremely fatigued? You know, like the extremes in the tarot, these solar flares can also cause extremes in everyday lives. What it does to the Earth, like, because of the extreme flares today, all of China is out of, like, no radio signals, no nothing, because of the magnitude of these solar flares today. So we're gonna break it down. We're gonna break it down. What is a solar flare, what to expect, and we'll take it from there. So what is a solar flare? So solar flares come from solar spots in the sun, like sunspots. And sunspots on the sun's surface are dark spots caused by regions of intense magnetic field activity. A solar flare is a burst of solar radiation, usually X-rays, while a CME is a cloud of solar material flung out into space. The sunspot responsible for these recent CMEs has also spat out several powerful solar flares in the recent days, including an X 4.5 class flare on May 6, which triggered radio blackouts across the Indian Ocean. These flares occur when the magnetic fields on the sun become twisted. The magnetic fields can break, causing solar flares that are electromagnetic storms on the surface of the sun. And these are so strong that they actually cause complex changes in the magnetosphere, causing complex changes in the magnetic field. There are around 200 at G3 storms per 11-year cycle. Now, it goes like G1, G2 to G5, G5 being the biggest of them all, like on the level. The more powerful storms become most common when the sun is the most active. So on the brightest part of the day is when we should be feeling this the most. Now we'll be able to definitely feel this. We'll be able to track this also at skywatcher.com. So most of this is coming from a very volatile sunspot, which is called AR 3663, which has released 5 plumes of solar plasma, which the coronal mass injections, or CMEs, it just in the past day, with the 2nd, 3rd, and 5th predicted to slam directly into our planet this weekend. So these solar storms are surging towards Earth, and many are due to hit in the next few days. So we should be able to not only feel this but see this. They may also lead to brighter and unusually far-reaching northern and southern lights. G5 storms can result in auroras being seen as far as Florida and southern Texas. Because of these geomagnetic storms, I don't think any of these storms are hit the G5, but definitely G3. there was already G4, G3s, and G2s. So they are, and they will be powerful. Let me know in the comment below how these solar flares affect you and your life this week. And don't forget to subscribe. Love you and thank you so very much. Mwah.